Hi there. If you teach phonics-based reading, here's a great game for your students to practice three-letter CVC patterns. By CVC, I mean consonant-vowel-consonant. I call the game Try It. Take a look at the video, and if it looks like it would be good for your students, please try it. Blue on blue. I'll put some up there. Spread those around. Spread these around face down. Okay, so take a tile. And the sound is, everybody? Ah. Okay, your turn. Whatever you want. Okay, go ahead. And everybody, the sound is k. All right, let's see, my turn, huh? Let's see, Everybody? Go ahead.
Yes.
And the sound, everybody? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Ack. Vac. And k. Calf. Okay, you get to put a marker on there. And it's your turn now.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do 1, 2. Oh, what's the sound? Everybody, what's the sound? 1, 2, 3. R. Not the name R, but the sound R. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Rock. And this one here. 1, 2, 3. Rack. Good. Okay, you get 2 of them. Your turn.
Yay.
Everybody, what's the sound? Okay, and you have 1, 2, 3.
R.
R.
Rav.
Right, Rav. Okay, very good. Okay, let's count them together. Okay, let's do the green first. Let's do the red first. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Wait a minute. Nairu's not with us. Nairu, ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. Okay, would you write 14 on the board for us? Here we go. We're going to count. Please count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 에?
Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, you got a little different with your numbers. Okay. Thank you for visiting my channel, and thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to try this activity yourself, you can of course design and create your own version from scratch. But you're perfectly welcome to print out my version and save yourself a whole lot of trouble. For that, you want to go down to the video description down there below this video window. You might have to click on the Show More, but then you should see a link to a PDF that you can print out and use as you see fit. You just can't market it or sell it or claim it as your own. Once you've printed it out, you'll need to make the game tiles. So in just a few moments, I'm going to have a live link to a video that shows how I make the game tiles. And I'm even going to throw in another video how I make my game cards for when I need playing cards for games in my classroom. Alright then, don't forget the like button, and here are the videos that I promised. Ta-da! Oh look, there's even a button for subscribing. Okay, so thanks again, and I wish you the best in your teaching. Blue on blue.